Gang, what's going on? It's this boy Kurt here, back with a video. Today for you guys, bro, I'm with another reaction, and I mean, I'm doing best Among Us moments ever, and I mean, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video, man. I mean, if you want to see part 2, subscribe and like, and I mean, so yeah, let's get into the video. Ain't gonna take too long. By the way, a nigga is monetizing. I mean, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Anyways, I mean, I'm gonna do a different video when I get paid and that kind of something, because right now it's a long ass process, and I mean, so whenever that shit is done, I'm gonna just do it. I mean, and get the video for you guys. I mean, anyways, let's get into the video. Recording starts now. Right. Video play clock. Bro, yo, that always happened to me. Like, me think at the person I got kill me when like them call you one body, me straight in my dead. But anyways,
Hey, if you enjoy our Among Us moments, check out our new Insta for daily memes.
Oh no, round 2 again. Okay, I don't think it's Flutter.
oh shit.
She could have yeeted me so easily down there.
What's your name again? Just girlfriend.
Flutter, have my back, have my back, have my back, have my back, have my back.
Freya, yeah.
Flutter, have my back, have my back. Yes, have Flutter.
Damn.
Cameras now. David, thanks for the sub, and Jao,
This
and,
nigga, bro, me hate the one. It take a long no shit. I'm like it update now. Like when one meeting call, it just continues party the day. I think I say I remember. I'm not playing a long while. But yeah, if you want to do gameplay with this, let me know. What you know? Meeting. Yeah, me hate that shit. Me hate that shit, bro. Hate that shit. Down then just away from anybody. More body. Murphy, come fix the light. Kill him.
This shit again. I say purple. You had me.
No, I swear. I've been
This nigga got cheat. I'm gonna do. Watch the next one.
I am not even joking. I was next to you.
How's that too fast?
But I.
That too slow, dumb.
We have to go. We have 6 seconds.
I don't have to go to the sorry. Guys, I just want to say,
Damn. Fun fact, if you swipe it 3 times fast, it work. Try it. I don't just can go so one time and it works, so let's make I'm a pro. Anyways. Dumb.
Oh, the accuracy. Okay, I'm pretty sure I saw someone say dragon. What's that? Dragon.
Nuts on your face.
Oh shit, they leave something. And the nigga do it in a damn, bro.
Watch this.
Me hate them up them. Me like it normal one. Remember what name, but yeah, me like normal one. Oh shit, bro.
Oh no!
Dumb fool! Ah! The game make me rage and shit, dog. Like, it just pissed me off. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fuck. Forky, oh my god, bro.
I think Sykkuno just saw me kill someone and then said nothing for some reason.
Oh no, I saw him in the admin room. Nobody was nearby. I don't know what
I
happened.
fought Toast last with Felix in admin room.
Damn. Fuck.
It's Will.
Yeah, it's me.
What?
It's me.
Is that
Why are you giving up, Will?
Because I can't get out of that. How am I going to get out of that?
You keep accusing me. What do you mean?
I'm saying it's Sandro.
He'll run behind, then we'd have
Damn.
a battle, and the team would have
Yeah, that would have been so... Wait, what?
I never put out the real man, bro.
Wait.
Dumb. Whoa. You're not mute.
Thank you.
I wasn't muted, so I had to say something. Because I said A, and then I realized I wasn't muted.
Dumb.
So I said fix it, alright? It's good cover, right? It's good cover.
Man, then vote you out.
This is what Asim does. He just fucks with the
You need
lights.
to play with the light.
Oh my god, why'd they kill me?
Come on, extreme.
Yo, I pulled an Asim right there, though. Oh, you're literally trolling by killing me. I was on your team.
Say
Here.
You accept the
Dave. I'm gonna stick with Dave. Dave's a homie.
Never stick with people that I tried.
Oh no,
I was
that's
a
not good. Kill the lights. Kill Yeti.
Vent.
Alright. No idea what just happened.
Damn.
I would like to, confess myself. The Among Us servers have gone whack again. I'm still running around whilst you guys are, in report mode. I'm about to kick... Here. Here's a present for your orange. Wait. Hold on, I'm loading.
Wait, what's happening?
Hello.
I'm confused. What is shit?
You are next.
What, you want me to vote? You want me to vote purple?
2, 1.
What are you doing? What do you mean?
Wait, what just happened? Josh, Big Zerker.
On the camera. Hey. Do a little dance.
Say what a pussy.
A little love.
Say what a pussy. Damn, bro. Yo, that shit. What the heck? What? I'm confused. What the shit?
I'm hanging out with 5UP. I don't care. Anything he does, I'm doing.
Dead.
Anything he does, I'm doing,
Yeah.
and I'm hanging out with him, because I am not letting this shit happen unless he kills me here.
Yeah. Never did that now. Camera did this one. Fuck. Rascal. Bro, where's thing that? Where's thing that, bro? What a play, bro. I'm gonna try that.
I knew it was too.
No.
Actually, they're gonna call me the shit. Oh, yeah, buddy. We got this. I was with the yellow. Let me tell you one thing. Wait. Let me tell you one thing.
I know it's not you, dude.
I was with the yellow. I was doing the thing in the circle.
Friendship! It's a beautiful thing.
Damn.
I fucking hate this guy. I know, but the thing is,
Annie, where are you? Annie, where are you?
I'm dead, I'm trolling.
What?
Hello?
What is happening right now?
Dumb.
He's got too many sixes
Negative
open.
million IQ. Fool. Hello, Soldier Boy. What? Soldier Boy got channel. This nigga brain dead. Go ahead.
Come over here. Circle around it.
New updates. If Erica kills me and I didn't vote for her, I'm gonna be mad. Okay.
Come on. Oh, no, we can't do the double kill. Oh, we could have then. Kill anybody who comes in. Kill the next one. Cass, kill the next one. What the fuck, Cass?
What the f***?
Oh, no!
Yeah, I always do that day. Fake me top. I always do that one day. I'm fake it. Dumb them, I can't turn up in front. Damn. What the hell in shit. I dem have played that one. I dem play that one.
You wanna play Among Us too? You're welcome to join my Discord. First link in the description.
Anyways. Video done. You see them play out the last one. Anyway, if you wanna see me play Among Us and I'm posted on my channel, bro, let me know, and I will do it if you guys want to. See me play Among Us. Anyways, this was fun. If you wanna see part 2, let me know down in the comment section below, you know what I mean? Follow my description thing, follow my description. If you guys wanna see me, you know what I mean, on social medias and shit, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. You know what I mean, I create a new Snapchat, so add me on this new Snapchat. Anyways, yeah, and I got a donation link if you guys wanna donate to help the channel. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Without further ado, y'all heard know how to do, man. Keep watching again up on the bush. Let go.